everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Lake Camanche again. Recently planted trout, rainbow trout right now, and just saw one swimming behind me. Brought my nephew, so we're gonna try to catch our limit. Hopefully we can catch something. Hopefully they plant today. Seems like they've been planting every week, so good sign. Just gonna be trying some power bait, live bait, and some jigging, see if we get a bite. So let's get this adventure started. That'll be cool if they plant today. Oh, they might plant today.
What?
He's usually here when you plant. Sweet.
Huh?
Plant trout.
Wait, how do you plant trout?
Yeah, they're planting. Sweet.
So we can't check the trout?
Yeah.
Let's move.
No, you stay here.
Okay.
Because what they do, they bring the truck in, but if you're fishing in that area, you have to wait like 30 minutes. And then, that's sweet. I had a feeling they were going to plant today. You get to see all the trout come out. How's it going?
I want to let you know, here's tune on both. I have you guys reel in.
Yeah. You're planting?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
They're going to plant?
Yeah.
Hey, baby, they're going to plant. Yep.
So we want to see all the fish?
You can see all the fish come out of that tube. Yeah, record it with your phone when they get here.
But so, if you guys, if you want to fish, though, you can fish past that little white falling. Yeah.
Hey, do you think there's more fish in the lake?
Huh?
Do you think there's more fish in the lake?
Yeah. There's plenty. They plant it every week.
Hey, my bobber's down.
That's right there. You can reel it in though. Go stand by that gray truck over there. Yeah. Okay. Here, take this. Go stand over there. Go away from me. Morning. By that great truck. Right here. I'm gonna squeeze it in right here. No. Right here. There's the truck. If they come on shore, it's free game, I guess. You're right.
I like Bell.
Here they come! Whoa! Whoa! What the heck? Oh my god! There's a heck of trout!
That one jumped.
I did release in the minnows,
Right? Yeah.
Whoa!
There are a few big ones. Yeah. A couple 5-pounders.
Yeah,
Like that.
I saw
Look at that.
They're getting all the trout!
Yeah.
I'm gonna grab one with my bare hand!
they're slimy.
And, hey, look at he got one!
Yeah, he got one.
Check out that.
I want to see his fishing license. Hold on.
Already got it. Put the big ones now.
Right?
Wow!
Long time no see, Ruben.
Ruben, what's going on, buddy?
Not much.
What's happening, man?
Picked a good day to come, huh?
You been out here?
Not lately, honestly.
Okay.
Today, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, we gotta catch something sure, man.
Yeah, I brought my nephew this time. He hasn't seen the plant yet, so
Enough here.
he's over there recording.
You guys making videos too now?
Yeah.
Oh man. Yeah, no,
I've been coming out here a little bit more recently too. I recently started posting myself, dude.
Oh, really?
Great, yeah.
Oh, there you go.
To advertise, so.
Yeah, man.
But yeah, I was like,
And that way.
Oh,
Okay.
look at they're jumping.
Yeah.
We should always go to Camanche.
Sometimes it's not a good day, but sometimes it is.
Oh, there's two.
shit on the side. But
Yeah, they're gonna be hungry. Remember, when you get hooked, try to keep your pole up.
my brakes.
Don't move it too much to the side. I have your drag set pretty loose, so that way it fights. You might get a fish before me. Hopefully we double up for the video.
Double O. Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Hey. Hi.
Oh, I just noticed there's no comrades today. You notice that, Ruben?
10:15.
Right.
At
They're usually here.
10:15.
At 10:15?
It's already 10:10.
Okay, I want to make a prediction here today.
It's 50-50.
I think you're gonna catch a fish. I want to make a prediction. Okay?
Yeah.
It's 50-50 today.
Yeah, I told him we're gonna have a challenge, see who can catch the most. I think he's gonna win though.
That's $50.
50 bucks? Is that the bet?
50 bucks? Where you get 50 bucks from?
Exactly. What if you lose?
Oh, from me?
I get 50. I give him $50.
You get 50 either way then.
It's 50-50.
What? You give me $50 in Monopoly money?
I'll take that lightning though.
I'll take that line.
I'll take that lightning.
Nah, I am.
Hopefully seeing all these kind of get them hungry.
That's a big lightning.
That's the only one we saw today.
That's
Yeah.
like
Everyone took them all.
5 pounds if not.
5-6 pounds maybe.
They were pulling out giants last week, I saw. I was like, man, 7 pounders.
Well, I got
4
one
minutes.
that's 7.3.
Yeah? Off this rod?
It was a softer rod than this.
Oh, really?
No, it was caught on a power bank though. I was
Okay.
my float tube.
Yeah.
So no, you have well, I can show you later, but I want to show you my channel, so I can check
Yeah, for sure. Subscribe first, subscribe. That's what I say.
You're a YouTuber.
No.
He's a YouTuber. He just doesn't like to admit it.
Let me subscribe to you. What's your channel? I'm already subscribed.
You're already subscribed to me.
Yep,
Better be subscribed to me.
I am. 2 more minutes.
We'll see.
Subscribe. Done.
Oh wow, you weren't subscribed to me, you monster.
No. I've subscribed
yeah, on
on
your
every
mom.
phone.
On
You got
mom's phone.
You got 42 subscribers, even on my phone.
Oh yeah, you have a phone. I forgot.
Yeah, see?
Yeah, you were using mom's phone for a while though.
Yeah, I know. But now I'm subscribed. And you're welcome. You got 42 now. Ready, Uncle?
Almost.
Sorry,
Put
10.
your phone away.
I'm looking at the time.
I know, but put your phone away because you want to make that first cast.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm dropping it in there.
It's on.
There you go. Cast away.
I don't know my line.
You cast over his line.
Is it over, Mana?
Yeah. Wait, AJ.
It's all right.
Oh, big one.
There you go. It's up. Oh, you got one.
You got one. There you go.
There you go.
Got one.
All right. Keep your rod tip up, okay? And right to me.
Get him.
That's the best thing I've done this year.
Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep your tip up. All right.
Yes.
Right on.
Dang, that guy is big.
I'm gonna get you back out there, okay?
Dang, bro, he's so big. I'm gonna hold him.
He choked it. There you go. Hold on to him. Let me retie you. Tell you, the green, that's the magic sauce.
Oh, damn. Are we letting him free?
No,
What are you doing with him?
we're gonna keep him.
Ooh, okay, but he's gonna die.
I'm gonna cook him.
Huh?
I'm gonna cook him.
Hey, that's mine. I caught him turn square.
Yeah, I didn't see too many big ones today, did you? Scott?
They're everywhere, right?
They're still there, cast. There you go. Good cast.
That's all we fish
I got specific knots for specific fish that I fish for. Yeah, see, I told you, Scott. You can thank me for the day.
Thank you.
He's surfing.
Yeah, he is.
Okay, you're good to go. Yeah, you gotta be careful. What are you using? 4 pound?
2.
2? Yeah. Oh yeah. Keep rolling.
Yeah.
There we go.
You know there's something, Scott? I've been
Ah, it
seeing
popped
more
off.
Smaller and smaller rods.
Hey, what?
Wow.
Nice.
That one?
He did. I got bit,
You did?
but I lost it.
Throw it back.
Oh. Ah. I'm not ready. Gotta calm my nerves. Keep casting.
Like one of the no. No, look at this like them soccer top.
Se lo saqué de la boca, güey, otra vez, güey. No, Medianita la prendí.
Reel yours in.
No, it's full. Grasshopper type.
You gotta keep casting.
Cuando quieren.
That's the
Similar,
trick.
right? Similar, buddy.
Oh, you're good.
I almost hurt myself.
I'm getting all excited, huh?
Yeah. I gotta watch these hook sets. I gotta remember there's people around me and beside me and.
I'm going there.
Dang, he's still swimming. And he's still alive.
Ay, hija de la vez.
He's right there.
Espérame, güey.
I gotta.
So we're good now. I got one. No one's
¿Perra o no?
We can.
Mírala. Ándele, cabrón.
Oh, córrele, güey.
Why?
¿Las GoPro no están grabando las GoPro? Sí, güey. Es todo, mira. Bien pescado y así.
I gotta get farther. Why is mine like
Oh,
always?
shit.
I got mad.
I crossed the line. Hold on. There you go. Good.
Ah, this one's a good fight. Good fight.
Oh, I see him.
You want to grab the net, AJ?
Yeah, hold on.
Right here. Huh?
Where's he at?
Right there. Ready? Go. No. Lift it. No. Right here. Right there. Right in front of you. See it right here? This one. There you go. Good job.
He's
Woohoo.
a big dude. Bro, you're beating me right now by one.
Barely. Okay, get your pole in there.
Huh?
Get your pole in there now. All right. Fish number 2 for me. Now you're good to go. Whew. There you go.
Ay, la cagué, voy a...
Keep casting out there, buddy. Big one, huh?
Yeah, big one. He saw my jig.
Oh, you got it.
Oh, you got one. You got it. Hold on.
Oh, yeah!
Ah, you popped off. You almost got it. Ah, it's alright. At least you didn't snag them, right? You did it the right way. Uh-huh.
At least I got my base still.
Yeah, you still got your worm. We're telling you, keep casting, man. Yeah, that was a big one. Telling you, keep casting. You can't give up right away. It's a great thing about fishing. You keep on going. All right? I haven't even hooked into a lightning trout yet. And I've been here longer.
The new one? No, the old one. The old one. I never watched the whole thing.
Jerky time.
Hey, I dare you.
Yeah,
I dare you. I could
started
catch something
watching
with
it late
this.
myself.
You can park that past it.
Wait, are they in here?
Yeah, there's some. Maybe. They used to have some in here. But catfish usually live in deeper pockets. There you go.
That's what I do. I catch fish. Here,
Mhm.
you wanna fight them?
You want to fight him?
You gotta let him run. If he's running, if you hear like line going like this, you don't reel. You don't reel when he's running.
Mhm.
But now you go ahead reel. Yeah. There you go.
Mhm.
Remember he's running, so you don't spin. You want going? Step back. There you go. Step back. Step back. There you go. Get him.
There you go.
Good job, buddy. Alright, that's your fish. Now you're ready to hook that lightning crab.
Right?
See, it's the same one. I'm using the same thing.
The same thing.
You're using the same one.
Yeah.
All day.
Let me use your rod. Maybe I'll be lucky.
Oh yeah. They're looking out. Appreciate it. Hey Jay, come here. Hurry. Yeah. And get the pole, get the pole. Hold the pole up. Okay. Let him fight. See? You gotta be patient. Yeah.
Yay!
See?
Let's do it again.
You would have
What did you put on?
Nightcrawler.
Oh yeah, put on the Nightcrawler.
Okay. Choked it. Swallowed the whole thing.
I could have caught him.
Yeah, put the pole down.
I was just watching my friend over there.
I know, see? You gotta be fishing with me. You be catching them. I don't want to catch all of them. Here, hold the net. Hold it tight. No, hold on. I had to get the hook out of it. So.
Ew, did he just start it?
You might have. Now we got fish number 7. Look at that. We just need 3 more and then we're done. Yeah.